Hi guys, I'm Ashley, and the specialty certification I'm going to cover in this video is the board certified specialist in oncology nutrition. So cancer treatments can greatly impact a patient's nutritional needs. Nutrition plays a major role in how our bodies cope, function, and heal. A board certified specialist in oncology nutrition, also known as a CSO, is a registered dietitian who specializes in helping cancer patients with the proper nutrition and guidance during their cancer therapy. Registered dietitians interested in becoming a board certified specialist in oncology nutrition must meet the Commission of Dietetic Registration eligibility requirements. These requirements include that you must be a registered dietitian with CDR. You must maintain your registered dietitian status with CDR with a minimum of 2 years of experience and have documentation stating you have 2,000 hours of practice experience in the oncology care setting within the past 5 years. These settings include hospitals, clinics, cancer centers, hospice, and other public health. To apply to the oncology nutrition exam, you'll first go to the CDR's website, which is www.cdrnet.org. And then you will log in and you'll enter your ID number and password. Then you click on Apply for Specialist Certification. Then you click here to apply for specialty certification. Then you click Add a new application. And then you're going to choose the type of exam and testing window and click Add. And then you complete the required information and submit your application. Once you've completed the application, payment is required. So examination fee is $350 unless you are a non-CDR Canadian registered dietitian, then it's $475. And if you are paying for the exam as a CDR registered dietitian requesting from Canada, Puerto Rico, or another international test center location is $500. The exam is offered on the computer at testing centers all around the country, and it is offered all year round. Lastly, the recertification requirements. A board certified specialist in oncology nutrition must retest every 5 years. This is to confirm that their knowledge and their skills in the oncology field are up to date. And they do this by completing an eligibility application with the required minimum number of specialty practice hours. Then they submit an application fee, and then they complete the specialty examination once again. And again, they do that every 5 years. And that is how you become a board certified specialist in oncology nutrition and how to stay a CSO. Thank you.